the 1 megahertz signal limit.
Go flight. Command flight, send MIR2, 0.1 hertz.
MIR2, 0.1 hertz, sending command.
Flight confirm receipt of command, over.
Copy that, payload.
Okay, we're hearing a lot of technical jargon there from NASA scientists, but I did hear the words Mark, Centaur, Impact. And just some context for you, Centaur is the name of one of the unmanned rockets the unmanned rocket that's supposed to crash into the moon, orchestrated by NASA to kick up a cloud of dust. That cloud of dust will be then analyzed for any evidence of ice, and that means water. Again, we're waiting for a collision to take place on the lunar surface, orchestrated by NASA scientists, all in a bid to search for ice and water there on the moon. Water that could support life, water that could support any future manned missions to the moon. And there are two unmanned spacecraft that are involved in this operation. One, the Centaur rocket, it weighs about 2.2 tons. It would hit an existing lunar crater that you see on the surface of the moon right there. Again, these are live pictures courtesy of NASA. Upon the collision, and we're waiting for, I don't know, maybe a cloud of dust, a shimmer of light, a sign of that collision, it would then create a mini crater about the size of an Olympic swimming pool. And when that collision happens, it would kick up dust and quite possibly water. There's a second spacecraft out there with the Centaur. It's packed with instruments, and it would analyze the content of that dust cloud. And that second vehicle, I don't know if that's a technical glitch or perhaps something else. Anyway, now we're looking at live pictures from the control room in NASA and infrared imaging there as well. As I was mentioning earlier, there's a second unmanned vehicle on the lunar surface, which of course would be a major discovery.
Copy, payload.
Now we're watching numerous feeds from NASA of the lunar surface, infrared feeds, also the activity among NASA scientists as they watch all of this, as they hope to find any signs of water or ice there on the moon. We're watching this live courtesy of NASA. We know amateur space junkies all over the world are also watching in. Let's listen.
Copy, science.
We just received
flight, shepherding spacecraft impact, stations report LOS.
The ground stations at Goldstone just reported
last
a
tracket,
termination of
11:35.054 seconds.
The shepherding spacecraft has hit the surface of the moon, and this marks the end of the L-Cross flight mission.